What in the world are we missing here? I'll give you a second to think about it. And it's going to be mirrors. And you can see I have no rear view mirrors. I have no mirrors on the bar ends. What is that? Oh, that looks like a mirror. How in the world is that on the bike? Well, I used to have a dual sport motorcycle, and I had these mirrors from Ram. And I did not realize the Ninja 400 had this. I'm going to show you real quick. And this comes from the factory with the Ninja 400, and it's really, really cool. Now, this may not be for everybody. I'm not a big fan of the bar end mirrors. They come out, kind of far like that, and I just don't want the bike to be any wider. This mirror is no wider than the handlebar, but let me show you what the Ninja 400 comes with. Let me take this off. Give me just a second here. And this is on your bike too. Well, not the ball at least, but damn it, that thing's on tight. There we go. Sorry about that shakiness. This is just a regular 1-inch ball for ram mounts. But you'll see right here, now if you haven't done this yet, there's a rubber piece covering that hole up right there on your Ninja 400. Take that rubber piece off, and it's threaded for a 1-inch ball from ram mount. So what you can do here is you can do a couple of things. This is my ram mount that I have for my phone here. You could put that here, and it could be out of the way of everything. It'd be really nice. The other thing that you can do is what I did, of course, is I took off. Give me 1 second. Let me put this back on a little bit here. Oh, that's the wrong way. I got it on backwards. Never mind. I'm not going to put that back on. What I did was took off my mirrors and put my ram mount mirror that I had on there, and that worked perfectly. So one of the things that is really interesting is, and I didn't really realize this, I took the mirrors off, the standard mirrors, is, man, the view is so much better with none of those mirrors sticking out there. They really, really get in the way of your vision. And didn't realize that so much until I actually got on the motorcycle and rode with that new mirror on there. So I will, in the description, I will give you links to the mirror and the ball and all that kind of good stuff if it's something that you're interested in. As you can see, it takes like 2 seconds to do it. So just thought that was interesting, and I'd share with you guys. So take care.